Hi, this is Dawn Michelle from Makeup or Breakup blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing November's BoxyCharm. Can't wait to see what's inside. In this box, I have, of course, the BoxyCharm coupons that come with it. The theme of the box is called Gold Digger or Gold Digger, which I like. And within, I see I have brushes from Luxie. Very nice. Very pretty indeed. Looks like eye set. You can see that there real close there. There we go. It says Luxie right there. I also see from Cover FX, these are the glitter drops. I heard about these. I finally got one. I'm so excited. And I received from Farrah brushes. Oh, these are tweezers. I heard about that a set of tweezers would be included, and it looks like it's an interesting set. Let me see if I can open that later and show you that. I also received from Bodyography Pro the makeup brush cleanser. I can always use this because sometimes I can't sit and wash all my brushes in one set every week, so in between washings, proper washings, I'll use the spray. And then finally we have something, let's see here. This is from Ace Beauty. Accent on the E. This is a luxurious little packaging. It almost reminds me of one of those high-priced chocolate bars, the way that this looks. And within, beautiful colors. Look at these. Woo! So pretty and so yummy. I can't wait to see how these swatch. Although swatches to me don't necessarily mean that they're going to go on well on the eye, but let's see. We have Jasmine here, which is like a gold. Oh, it's very buttery. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll put that here. This is Clove. This is Myrtle. And this is Cinnamon, which is similar to the Clove in a way, except Clove is more glittery. There's more of a shimmer in there. It's nice, you know. Now I'm going to try Patchouli, which is this interesting, it's not the color I would have expected. And then this is Rose, Poppy, and finally Primrose, which is like this deep copper gold. And I don't know if you can see that color. You see that? The one you can't really see is Patchouli. It's over here. It's sort of like a peachy matte that you could probably use as a base on your eyes. Overall, I'd say that this is a beautiful set. It's very comprehensive. Totally loving this. Let's see what's in here real quick. This is the Cover FX one. You can see that there. I've seen this in videos and I was always intrigued by it. Oh, look at that color. Okay, and it has a little spout on there. I don't know if you can see that. Put a little touch on there, not too much, just to see what it does. It doesn't have a, well, it doesn't have like a scent, but it does smell a little chemical-like, if that makes sense. But this is me spreading it out so you could see. Can you see that color? It's like a light copper. You know, it's not too bad. I wish you could just see that better. And I just want to see what this looks like. It's like I don't want to break the bag. Is there a way to open it without having to? There's the opening. And this is what it looks like. So can you see that? It's interesting. And I like the little embellishments on here. I don't normally use tweezers, but I like to always keep the set around just in case. But you see, you can do this side. You can use this side, which is very pointy, I must say. I don't know if you can see, look how pointy that is. And then there's this side, which is more blunt. So I think this would be more of the side to do the eyebrows with, and then this could be for like those pesky little minute individual hairs that are by themselves, I'm not sure, but I'd be really careful with this because this is very pointy. And can I say I am super uber duper excited about the Luxie brushes, which are gorgeous. I could always use a set for the eyes. And the spray, a welcome practical addition. So overall, I would say that this was a lovely set, and I am very pleased with what I received in this month's BoxyCharm for November 2018. So if you like this box, or if you got something different, let me know in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed yet, why aren't you? Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know when the next video comes up. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Dawn Michelle for Makeup or Breakup blog, and I will see you on the next makeup adventure. Take care. Bye.